Today we'll show you how to do a speaker activation wire for Model Y. So there are 4 different parts. So you can see this one is the connector that goes to the MCU. We will show you how to do the connection. There are 2 connections that you need to make. And then there's 3 wire. This is for the subwoofer wire. If you have an amplifier with the subwoofer, you can buy the subwoofer cable from us. And there is 2 more connectors. One is for the A-pillar one and the door tweeter. So they are all color matched, so you cannot get wrong. So this goes to here. And the other one is for the rear shelf speaker. So it goes to here. The rear shelf speaker is missing, so if you want to buy this, we will provide 2 additional speakers for you. But so this one is for the rear shelf speaker. And this one is for the 4 speakers. This one, and the one in the right side. So let me show you how to do this first. So to do this, you need to access the MCU. For left-hand drive car, it's on the passenger side, but the installation is pretty similar. So you need to remove this cover first. So there's a clip, so be careful. Just pull it out. And then there's a push clip. Use a pry tool to pry it out. From here, there's some channel that you can just insert the flathead screwdriver and then just take it out. And then you can remove this whole thing by pulling this piece out. So now we are here. We need to remove the cover here. It's already removed. But for the left-hand drive car, there's a T20 screw in here. You need to unscrew it. And then there's a push clip in the left side. So after you remove the whole cover, you can see the MCU from here. So the MCU is this unit. So let me get a torch to show you which 2 connections to make. You can see from the MCU, the bottom right there is a connector, and there's another one that above it. So you need to connect to both of them. There are 2 connectors. The one here and the black one here is the one to connect. So you just need to disconnect this one here and disconnect this one here, and then you connect to this white one to the bottom one, and this one to the black one. And the black connector goes here, and the white connector goes here, and this part will be done. Then next we'll do this wire. So once you connect that, we will show you how to do the next 2 connectors. This is the door connector. It's located here, the one that nearest to you. You can feel it here. So this one is the connector. So to remove it, you need to release the clip here. The way I remove it is there is a tab here. So you need to push down the tab. After you push it down, this one can be pulled out. So then it can be released. So this is how you do it. So you need to connect here and then clip it back. And then this one go back to the car. So you go insert it back into the connector there, and this part will be done. The next one is this connector, and depending on your build, it can be in 2 different locations. So for the unicast body version, it is somewhere around here. We'll show you the picture later. But for most of the car, it's in here. It's easier if you can remove the seat first. Even if you don't remove the seat, pull out here and pull out here. You can see this is the connector we talked about. So the way you remove it is there is a tab here. After you push it in, you can pull out this leather arm, and then you can push it out. And then you can do the connection here. So this is basically how you do the 4 speaker activation. So after you do the 4 speaker activation, if you want, you can even buy 2 sets of rear shelf speaker and activate the 2 rear shelf speaker. Let me show you the wire. So as you can see, this one is matching with this one. This is the one you insert into the MCU. So we connect this, and then we can run this wire all the way along the floor into the rear door, and then you can go up and then go to here and eventually to inside the lift gate. And then you can just connect the two speakers directly. Because the plug is for the Tesla speaker, you can just buy the speaker, mount it, and then just insert it in there. And this will complete the 6 speaker activation.